Think you know the iPhone? Think again, because Apple is about to drop a massive bombshell that is currently leaking everywhere. We are talking about the iPhone 17e, the budget-breaking upgrade that is set to change the smartphone market forever. Forget those $1,000 price tags and the overly complicated pro features you never actually use. Apple has finally figured out their most powerful secret weapon. People don't just buy iPhones for the titanium frame or the triple-lens camera. They buy them for iOS. They buy them because their friends are on iMessage, their family photos are tucked away in iCloud, and their entire digital life is synced to the Apple ecosystem. So, Apple asked a simple question. What if we made a phone that is affordable, looks brand new, and runs the world's most powerful software? That is exactly how the 17e was born, and the launch is much, much closer than you think. Rumor has it that Apple will announce the iPhone 17e as early as next week. Don't expect a massive, flashy stage event at Apple Park with Tim Cook. Instead, we are looking at a quiet, blink-and-you-miss-it website update. But don't let the silence fool you. The second that buy button appears, the entire internet is going to explode. Why? Because this phone brings some real, heavy-hitting upgrades that we usually only see on the most expensive flagship models. This is Apple playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. The biggest mystery right now is the design, and it's the one thing everyone is arguing about. Is the notch finally dead? This is the million-dollar question. If the iPhone 17e gets the dynamic island, it becomes an instant legend. It makes the phone look modern, premium, and fresh. It completely kills the old design language. But there is a catch. Some leaks suggest Apple might play it safe and reuse the iPhone 14 body to save on manufacturing costs. Let's be real. Paying $600 for a notch in 2026 feels outdated and honestly, a bit disappointing. But if that dynamic island shows up on a budget model, it's game over for the competition. That pill-shaped cutout would make this the best-selling iPhone of the decade. This phone is the ultimate weapon for students, teenagers, and anyone looking to switch from Android without breaking the bank. If you are still holding on to an iPhone 8, an XR, or even an iPhone 11, this is the upgrade you have been waiting for your whole life. It feels new in the hand, it looks sleek, and even with a single camera on the back, it screams modern Apple. Speaking of that camera, don't let the single lens fool you into thinking it's weak. We are looking at a massive 48-megapixel main sensor. This means your daylight photos will be incredibly crisp, and your night shots will finally look professional instead of blurry. The front camera is also getting a huge boost to 18 megapixels with center stage. If you live on TikTok, FaceTime, or Snapchat, your video calls are about to look 10 times better than they ever have before. Under the hood, Apple is playing it incredibly smart. The iPhone 17e is expected to pack a special, slightly tuned-down version of the A19 chip. It might be a little slower than what you'd find in a $1,200 Pro Max, but for 99% of people, it is a total beast. Your daily apps will fly, games will run without a single hitch, and the entire experience will be buttery smooth. Plus, this chip is the key to bringing Apple Intelligence to the budget line. To make those AI features work properly, Apple is finally giving us 8 gigabytes of RAM. No more apps closing in the background every time you switch screens. You get 128 gigabytes of base storage, which is the perfect sweet spot for a $600 device in today's world. Now, let's talk about the screen. You get a beautiful 6.1-inch display. It is the perfect size for one-handed use and fits easily into any pocket or bag. The only potential downside? It is likely staying at 60 Hz. That means no promotion, while the tech-savvy pro users love their 120 Hz scrolling. The truth is that most normal people won't even notice the difference in their daily lives. To make up for it, Apple is boosting the battery capacity to around 4,000 mAh. Combined with the insane efficiency of the A19 chip, you can expect 10 to 12 hours of heavy, real-world use. Apple calls it all-day battery. And for once, they might actually be telling the truth. One of the best hidden upgrades is the return of MagSafe. Last year's budget attempts felt a bit hollow without it, but the 17e brings the magnets back in full force. This opens up a whole world of wireless chargers, magnetic wallets, and cool accessories that make the iPhone experience so much more convenient. It's these little details that make an iPhone feel like an iPhone. So here is my best opinion. The iPhone 17e is the smartest move Apple has made in years. It gives you exactly what you actually need: rock-solid software, a killer camera, and a battery that actually lasts, without making you pay for extra features you will never touch. It bridges the gap between the past and the future. If you want an iPhone that works perfectly, looks great, and comes at a fair price, this is the one. It is truly the people's iPhone. It's designed for the person who wants the best experience without the pro tax. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Share this video with your friends who are desperately looking for a phone upgrade, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single leak or update. What do you think? Is the dynamic island coming to the budget line, or are we going to be stuck with the notch for another year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Your support means everything to us. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.